Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we unravel the mysteries of corporate filings. Today we're diving into Flagstar Financial's latest 8K report. And let me tell you, it's not just about numbers. There's a little surprise about Flagstar that might make you raise an eyebrow. Let's get started. Flagstar Financial just released their financial results for the first quarter of 2025. So what does this report tell us? Well, it gives us a snapshot of how the company performed financially during those 3 months from January to March. It's like a report card, but for a business. First off, this report is dated April 25, 2025. This is important because it tells us exactly when this information was released to the public. Think of it as the aspersion date for the data we're about to analyze. The company we're looking at is Flagstar Financial, a financial institution. They're based in Hicksville, New York. It is important to know that Flagstar is not a small business. Their IRS employee identification number is 061377322. Now let's talk about Flagstar stock. Their common stock, that's the kind most people buy and sell, is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol FLG. They also have some other types of securities, like the bifurcated option note unit securities, SM, traded under FLGPRU, and depository shares, traded under FLGPRA, also on the New York Stock Exchange. The main point of this 8K filing is to share Flagstar's financial results for the quarter that ended March 31, 2025. They issued a news release about it, and that's what's attached to this report. It's all about how the company did in terms of money coming in and money going out. The news release is attached as Exhibit 99.1. It gives the details of Flagstar's financial performance for the first quarter of 2025. It's where we'll find the actual numbers and figures that tell the story of their business during that time. Alright, let's put on our investor hats and dive into what these numbers might tell us about Flagstar. It's time to see if the company is thriving or just surviving. Now remember, this is an 8K filing, so it doesn't contain all of the financial tables. This is more of a highlights release. Let's see what tidbits we can find here. If there are no financial statements to analyze here in this report. Top tons, so what does all this mean for Flagstar Financial? Well, let's break it down. Right now, without the financial tables, it's hard to have any deep insights, but we know the company issued a release, so they probably are doing fine. Overall, Flagstar Financial seems to be a pretty standard financial institution. It is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. While we couldn't dive deep into specific numbers today, keep an eye on their future filings for a more detailed picture. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Until next time,